At least 8,000 people nationwide have died in nursing homes from COVID-19. People like Elizabeth Ann, an 85-year-old living in the Hurlbut nursing facilities in Brighton. Sally Merritt Barsiak's her daughter. She could not be there for her final moments.
The disease just took her.
As the virus spreads through this vulnerable population, the Alliance for Senior Care, a group of nursing homes in the greater Rochester area, have implemented restrictions on all outside visitors, daily screenings of residents, and protective measures for staff. Alliance Chair Glenn Cooper says since so much of the elderly care is close contact, the biggest challenge is going forward safely with those daily activities.
The most important thing that nursing homes and assisted living facilities can do in the face of this threat is to continue fighting our frontline battle. We are doing everything we can to protect, treat, and mitigate the most vulnerable among us in an environment where social distancing is impossible.
As of Friday, the Alliance has reported 36 cases of COVID-19 in residents and 27 cases in employees. There has been a total of 10 deaths, all residents. When a resident does test positive, facilities have a strict isolation plan ready to go. But still, Dr. Kim Patron at St. Anne's Community says it's hard to control.
Despite all of that, all the PPE, all the visitation restrictions, all the quarantining, all the isolating, all the things that we're doing, we still feel that the numbers are likely to increase as the prevalence in our community increases.
For families across the nation, this could mean many missing those final moments and looking back on what they would say, like Merritt.
We would want to take her hand and tell her that it's okay to go and to think of the sunsets over Lake Ontario. Thank you for being my mom. And I'll miss you every day more and more.
In an effort to collect accurate numbers, the Alliance is following some new guidelines when it comes to reporting COVID-19 cases, including alerting the CDC and families and residents if there are any new cases in facilities and reporting all fatalities. Reporting in the mobile studio, Atia Collins, News 8.
All right, Atia, thank you. Across the state of New York, a total of 3,448 nursing home or senior care residents have now died from COVID-19, and that includes 22 people in Monroe County.